Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I want to show you this DIY Worklight stand that I made the other day. A friend of mine, Dwayne, asked me if I knew of any cheap, cordless, freestanding work lights. And freestanding and cordless is easy. DeWalt's got a tripod light. Milwaukee has their rocket lights. But they're expensive. You're probably going to drop $200 on either of those. So I thought there's got to be something easy, something that would be better. So you see over on the left side of the screen here, this is just your typical camera tripod. I put a steel plate on there. And if we take like this Braun light from Harbor Freight, you can stick it on there. And of course, because it's on a tripod, you can raise and lower it, you can pivot it, you can go wherever you want with it. So, a really simple solution. I have 3 tripods. All 3 of them I got for a couple of dollars at thrift stores. You can also get them pretty cheap on Amazon. I'll show you exactly what I have here. You see the little base plate that tripods come with. This base is not universal. So if you do get one at a thrift store, make sure this piece that comes off comes with it. The bolt that we have right there, that's going to be universal. It's 1/4 inch and 20 threads per inch. So I used a 7/32 drill bit, drilled it out, get your tap and die set out, 1/4 inch by 20 threads per inch. We're able to tighten it down on this little bolt. And that was it for our DIY work light. It's fantastic, it's cheap, because look at how many different magnetic lights you guys could have. You got the quantum light, you got the gear wrench, you got the Braun, you got the other Braun. So, fantastic. One last thing, if you don't want to do all that, I don't know if we're going to be able to... You see there's a little C-clip that holds that on there? You could take that out and put anything you want, drill the hole more on the side of your plate, and then give yourself a flat spot. The bar I have was an 1/8 inch. It was actually just a little bit too thin. So I had this washer underneath it as a spacer, just to give me a nice flat surface across the top. But there you go. Hope you guys like it. A cheap, easy way to turn a typical camera tripod into a work light stand for you. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.